Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Officer Sirius Siren, here to talk about and review this wonderful product, the Drinking Bird. You can see it's genuine German-made in Taiwan. Drinking Bird. It's a very good quality. It goes down and up and down, and he drinks the water, and then he goes back. It's great. If you think that's too boring, then maybe Jailbird. Okay, sorry. You can get them at Kind of Magic. They're $9.95. They last forever unless you break it, so don't break it. I hope you liked it. This was my review for the Drinking Bird. Thank you.